Good day, everybody. Welcome once again. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a free domain, then how you can actually link it up to your personal branded website, and then how you can make everything to work. Um, I went through their GitHub Discord page and then channel, and I was able to see so many people that after they have gotten the web service, the domain name, they don't actually know how to set it up, and then how to link it up to their personal branded website, and then how to do everything to work out perfectly. So you can actually, like as you can see, say goodbye to domain name fees. So you first of all have to sign up to their digital plate platform, and then you do authentication within your using your GitHub account, and then they will now probably give you access to a one free slot domain, and then when you now stay their GitHub page, they will now give you another one, as you can see as it's stated there. So all you need to do is first of all sign up to their page. I'm going to show this example using Netlify. As you can see, Netlify is a popular branded website that you can use to host your service, and you can either host your personal brand. They allow for a static website hosting, so you can easily host your static website or host your business website here. So first of all, we have already registered the domain, so you will now have to come here, and then this is the domain name. I'm going to link this to my personal branded website, and I'm going to show you how you can actually do it. So first of all, this is our domain name. So all you needed to do is to grab the name servers from the web service that you are using to actually host your website. So you need the name servers. So I'm going to show you how you can do this using Netlify. So this is the domain aspect. So we have to come here. So it's probably going to be the same thing for every of this thing. So I've already set it up. So this is the name servers. You have to copy this. You copy this and then replace it with this is probably going to be empty if you have not done it before. So you have to replace it with the name server one and then roughly one. So this one can actually allow you to put a default name, and then you can put a default name and then use it to walk your way around it, and then say until you get your DNS. So you can put the DNS one here, you put the DNS two, and then copy all of them and add it, and then you now update. After you have done that, so now you have to now connect the URL, which is the domain name, to your hosted project. So let's go to my Netlify. This is my hosted. This is the my portfolio website. As you can see, this is just a custom domain that Netlify gave that I'm still using to access it after my former domain expired. So you have to come here and then you go to their domain, your domain management aspect. So this is it, and then you now have to add a new domain. You can buy from them and you can add, and then you can now do this, add this, and then add subdomain. Then Bula is going to just connect the DNS and everything. I think the reason why it's fast is because I've done it before and then he was able to do the same thing. So you can now just click this, and you can see it's going to point to this personal branded website as well. As you can see, our website is now live, and then my domain name, this domain name is now connected to my personal website. I think it's going to be the same thing for most of the web service that is out there. So all you needed to do is just to get the name servers and then connect it, and then you can now be able to use your domain name. So it's not going to be an issue. So you can actually use their digital plate platform to grab your own free domain name and then use it to host your personal branded website and then work with it as you like. Thank you for watching this video, and then click and subscribe to my channel, and then I'll see you in the next one. Thank you once again, and God bless you.